Hey there, English learners. Welcome to Unlock English Podcast. I am Alex, and I am so excited you are here today. Right now, at this very moment, are you translating my words into your language? Are you hearing English but thinking in your own language? If yes, then this episode is exactly what you need. Today, we are going to talk about something that stops millions of English learners from becoming fluent. It is the translation trap, and I am going to show you exactly how to escape it. Let me ask you something. Do you ever feel like your English is stuck? You know many words, you studied grammar for years. You can read English, you can write English, but when someone speaks to you, when you need to respond quickly, your mind goes blank. Or maybe your mind does not go blank. Maybe it is actually too busy translating every single word from your language into English. This is the problem. This is what is holding you back. Here is what happens inside your brain. You hear an English sentence. Your brain immediately translates it into your first language. You understand it. Good. But now you want to respond. So you think of your answer in your language first. Then you translate each word into English. Then you check the grammar. Then you worry if it sounds correct. And finally, maybe 5 or 10 seconds later, you speak. But by that time, the conversation has moved on. I want you to know something important. This is not your fault. Every language learner goes through this stage. But here's the truth. If you want to speak English fluently, you must learn to think in English, not translate. Think. Today, I am going to teach you exactly how to do that. So let's change that today. Let's talk about how you can start thinking in English naturally. So, why is translation such a big problem? Let me explain 3 major reasons. First, translation makes you slow. Real conversations happen fast. People do not wait for you to translate. If you are translating, you are always 5 seconds behind. You miss parts of the conversation. You cannot keep up. Second, translation creates mistakes. Languages are different. They do not match word for word. When you translate word by word, the sentence structure can be wrong. Native speakers might not understand you. Third, translation keeps you stuck in beginner mode forever. You never develop that automatic, natural feeling when you speak. Translation blocks that completely. Now, let me tell you the good news. Thinking in English is a skill. It is not a talent you were born with. It's a skill, which means you can learn it. You can practice it. The key is understanding that your brain needs training. You need to train your brain to use English directly, without translation. So what is the solution? The solution is something I call direct thinking practice. This means you practice using English in your mind for simple, everyday situations. You practice connecting English words directly to meanings, to feelings, to images in your mind. No middle step, no translation bridge, just English. I'm going to give you 5 powerful techniques to start thinking in English. These techniques are simple. You can start using them today. You just need a few minutes every day and the commitment to practice. So let's dive into these 5 techniques right now. Technique number 1. Describe your surroundings in English. This is the easiest and most powerful way to start. Look around you right now. What do you see? Say it in English in your mind. I see a table. There's a lamp. The wall is white. I see my phone. The magic of this technique is that you are connecting English words directly to real things. You see a chair, you think chair. Technique number 2. Think about your daily plans in English. Every morning, take 1 minute. Today, I will go to work. I have a meeting at 11 o'clock. I want to practice English for 20 minutes. Technique number 3. Use visual thinking without translation. This technique is extremely important. When you learn the word apple, do not think of the word in your language. Instead, picture a red apple in your mind. Technique number 4. Practice shadowing with English audio. Shadowing forces your brain into English mode. Technique number 5. Talk to yourself in English. Narrate your actions like you were explaining your life to someone. I am brushing my teeth. Now I am getting dressed. I am putting on my shoes. I am leaving the house. The more you do this, the more natural English becomes for you. All right, my friend, let us bring everything together. I want to give you a simple, clear action plan. This plan has just 4 steps. If you follow this plan for 30 days, I guarantee your brain will start thinking in English automatically. Step 1. Morning thinking. When you wake up, take 2 minutes. Think about your plans in English. Step 2. Describe throughout the day. As you move through your day, practice describing what you see in what you do. Step 3. Shadowing practice. Find 10 minutes in your day to practice shadowing. This is your focused English thinking time. Step 4. Evening review. Before you go to sleep, take 2 minutes to review your day in English. Right now, maybe 90% of your thinking is in your first language, but every day you practice, that percentage changes. First, it becomes 20%, then 30%, then 50%. One day, you will realize something amazing. You are thinking in English without any effort at all. Thank you so much for being here today. I am Alex, and I am cheering for you. Until next time, keep unlocking your English.